and how to access some great ChatGPT prompts to help you make money is what I'm gonna talk to you about in this video. I'm also gonna share a prompt to if you are, for instance, a teacher and want to know if some of your students may have cheated using ChatGPT. I hope they haven't, but I'm going to show you how you can check plagiarism with a simple prompt. But let's now start to talk about these prompts. Now, some marketers are selling ChatGPT prompts. It can be to help people make money or whatever. And there's nothing wrong by selling it, but you don't have to buy them, because you can just ask ChatGPT to deliver them to you. And when you go to chat.openai.com, you can create a free account and start using it for free. Now, if you're new to ChatGPT, then a prompt is a question or a order, so to speak. Pretty much so. But I'm going to show you first how you can use ChatGPT to create a social media post, promotional post for some products. And you need to have something that captures people's attention, of course, on social media, and that is why you need to include smileys and so on in the text to grab their attention. And you don't have to do it yourself. You can have ChatGPT do it, and I'm going to show you now how to do it. Now I have written in this field, this is where you've written your question, write your question or orders to ChatGPT, and I have entered write a promotional post for social media about optimized press and put in smileys where it's possible. Now it doesn't have to be optimized press, of course. I'm gonna edit the text. I enter a spell there. When you want to get the answers for ChatGPT, you button with this arrow and it will start typing. And within seconds it has created this post, and it have a list here with features and so on, and you can copy this and then you put in your website link there and just post on any social media sites. It even have some hashtags put in. Type of post works for, or should I say prompt works for any promote. And like I said, you can ask it to write more about this if you want a longer post. Now I told you about, I'm going to show you how you can find out the best prompts to make money. And here I've entered, give me the best prompts for a beginner within affiliate marketing on the best ways to make sales. Now this is just an example. You can put in your own. It could be how a beginner within real estate, how to buy and sell a house in a step-by-step manner. You can ask it that, and then you get a example of how to go about it. But anyway, we're gonna click this button and have ChatGPT provide the content. Here it actually didn't deliver the prompts, but step by step how to succeed with as a beginner with making the first sale within affiliate marketing. And that is great as well. Tracking, choose the right niche, research affiliate programs and so on. Select high quality products, build a website, a blog, and so on. So you still get help with that. About the best prompts about making money online, and it provided the prompts and tips in here, as you can see, a whole list here: freelancing, affiliate lines, about everything, and blogging, e-commerce, remote work, investing in stocks, content creation at YouTube, online tutoring, and so on and such. Here is giving me the prompts for the best prompt for making money online. The prompts which I was wanting from the beginning and not the description. So I told ChatGPT to give me the prompts only. The best prompts right now about how to make money online. It has written out 20 of them. I may not go through all, but you can enlarge the video and yeah, you can write them off, so to say, if you want. Or you can just ask chat. Number 1, how to find profitable affiliate products, best strategies for affiliate marketing success, tips for creating compelling affiliate product reviews, effective ways to promote affiliate products on social media, how to build an email, and so on, affiliate marketing on YouTube, tips and tricks, best practices to optimize affiliate landing pages, and so on. I'm not going to go through all, but you can just log in for free at ChatGPT and write like I've written here. Give me the best prompts on making money with affiliate marketing. Not a description, only the prompts, please. You can be more exact as well. You can have the best prompts for a beginner with making money online with affiliate marketing and so on, or something totally different, real estate or stocks or whatever. Now I'm going to show you how to discover plagiarism. Blog content here, and then we just click this button again, and then after you have sent it, it's only one thing left to do. You simply write here then you simply ask ChatGPT, did you write this? So you put in your pupils, if you're a teacher, essay or whatever work they have done here, and then you ask ChatGPT, did you write this? The text by you, it should be, because it's from a blog post, not by being any plagiarism on any text. So make multiple $500 commission. If so, you need to click the link below. Thanks so much for watching the video. I appreciate it. Have an awesome day. Bye bye.